everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So today I'm here with a new makeup tutorial for Basanta Utsav. So without further delay, let's get started. So I'm starting with a Good Vibes toner. After that I'm using a colorbar primer. So Basanta Utsav is the beautiful tradition of celebrating the spring festival in Bengal. Next I'm using Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer to moisturize my face. I will mention every product in the description box, you can do check that out. I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I am using a concealer by NYBay and I am applying the concealer all over my eyelid and I am blending the concealer with the help of a beauty blender. Now for the eye makeup, I am picking this orange shade and I am applying the orange shade on my eyelid and I am not going over my crease line. Next I'm taking this light brown color and I'm applying the color on my crease line and here I'm actually mixing the color together. After that I'm taking a light color, you can use any light color and I'm applying the light color over my crease line so that it can give a smooth effect on my eye makeup. After that I'm using Stay Quirky Kajal and I'm going to make a thick liner today. Next I'm using Stay Quirky liquid liner and I'm just coating the kajal with the liner. Actually I'm applying the liquid liner on the kajal so that it gives a super black effect. I'm making a thick liner today, but you can make your eyeliner as per your preferences, like okay, next I'm using the same Stay Quirky Kajal on my lower waterline. Now I'm going to smudge the kajal with a brush. Next I'm taking this deep brown color and I'm going to smudge my kajal with the color. After that I'm using a light brown color. So our eye makeup is done. Now for the face I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I'm using the same concealer by NYB and I'm applying the concealer under my eye, center of my nose, my forehead and my cupid's bow. Okay, now I'm using a banana powder to bake my face. Next I'm using a makeup fixture. Next, to contour my face, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics contour powder and I am applying the contour powder on the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline and on my forehead. To sharpen out my nose, I'm also applying the contour powder on my nose. Next, for the blush, I'm using a peach color liquid lipstick by Elle and the result is okay. You can give it a try. I will provide the shade number in my description box. You can do check that out. Next, for the highlighter, I'm using a highlighter from the Revlon palette and it's a golden highlighter. And here I'm applying the highlighter on all the highest point of my face, center of my nose. I'm also applying some highlighter on my brow bone and little bit on the inner corner of my eye. Next, for the lipstick, I'm using a liquid lipstick by Maybelline. I will mention the shade number in my description box. And this lipstick is super long lasting. You should definitely give it a try and you will love it. To fill the center of my lip, I'm using a pinkish tone lipstick by Purple. Now I'm mixing the two lipstick with the help of my finger. We are almost done. Now to set the entire makeup, I'm using the same makeup fixer and after that I'm using a lip gloss. And our makeup is done and this is the final result. If you like this makeup tutorial, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Love you all.